Myself, Dr. Bhargavi. I have completed my MD Anesthesia from Andhra Pradesh. I'm from Vizag. I'm doing my senior residency in Andhra Medical College. I came to know about the Asian Pain Academy through my professor who has completed online fellowship, and through my friend. He and I got registered both. We have completed online classes and we have come for a live workshop. I have attended a workshop on cadavers, but I felt the procedure were difficult. It is a long learning curve. But after coming here and practicing every procedure, I felt it is this specifically is useful and helpful for me. Now I am okay with the orientation and further process. Means my learning curve became easy with this academy. I am thankful to Jyoti sir and Chinmoi sir. And this is very much helpful for future pain physicians and fellow young doctors. Thank you.